So first of all, good evening everyone. Welcome to this video. My name is Ritesh, and today this video is the first class for the C programming world. Okay, so we are just going to the starting the C programming language. Okay, so first of all, we should have to the understand that what is the fun about the all these things in the C programming. Okay, so first of all, I want to say you something. I want to ask you one question, that what is the meaning of the programming language? Okay, so if anyone is going to the asking to you any type these types of the question, that what is the meaning of the programming language, then you should have to the give the answer, that is a programming language is nothing but a programming language is the computer formal language, you can say. It is a computer formal language which is used to the gives the instruction to the our machine, that what to do or not to do. This is the definition for the programming language. Okay, so you can also say that this one is also just like a language, okay, which is mainly used to the communicate with the computer. This is the second view to defining the programming language. Okay, but in the first view, I have to say to you that programming language is nothing but this one is a computer formal language which can be understandable by the computers. These types of the languages will be called the computer formal language. Okay, so which types of the language is going to the understandable by the program our computers? Okay, so we have the a lot of the programming languages that is the we have the C, C++, Java, Python, SQL, and there are so many types of the programming language in this world. Okay, so I want to say something. I want to again repeat that what is the meaning of the programming language. So programming language is nothing but a programming language is a computer formal language which is going to the use for the give the command to our computer what to do or not to do. Okay, so this is the definition of the our programming language. Okay, so again I am just going to the repeat, you should have to the write that. Okay, so I want to define that. So what is the meaning of the programming language? Okay, so programming language is nothing but it is a computer formal language which is going to use to give the command to the computer for what to do or not to do. Okay, means I want to say you that whatever we are going to the do in our computer through our computer. Okay, so all these things will be through the commands. Okay, so because our operating systems contains the lot of the functions. Okay, so there is also a lot of the codes will be inside the behind the all these functions. We are just going to the cut paste and all these things through the keyboards. So all these things have to the defined already in through the codes, that if you are going to the click these types of the keys, at that time you must have to the perform these types of the operation, and all these things have to the define there. So that's the meaning that we have to the programming language. What is the meaning of the programming language? So for the give the command to our computer what to do or not to do, we are just going to learning the programming language. Okay, so programming languages, there are so many types of programming languages. Okay, C, C++, Java, Python, SQL, and there are so many types of the languages. Okay, but I want to say something, that if you are going to the if you want to, but before the programming language, okay, you must have to the clarity that what I want to become. Means maybe you want to become as a businessman, then you must have to the go to the Google, means I want to say that is a website development and the with the application development. Okay, but if you only want to become as a website development, then you must have to know any necessary of the C, C++, Java is no any necessary there. Okay, you must have to the clarity about the Python and the SQL and the JavaScript, HTML, and the CSS. Okay, so all these things is there, and I have to the say to you about that. Okay, so in this video we have to the clarity that what is the meaning of the programming language. So again I want to define that programming language is nothing but this is a computer formal language. What is the meaning of the computer formal language? So computer formal language is nothing, bro, which form of the language can be understandable by the computer. These types of the format will be called the computer format. These types of the formal language will be called the computer formal language. Okay, so I hope that you have to the clarity about all these things about the programming languages. Okay, so there are so many programming languages for the create the website, for the create the softwares, for the create the to create the applications and etc, so on. Okay, okay, so let's bye, meet you again in the next video with the next level of the coding language, coding in the C programming. Okay, so in the next video we'll discuss about the next topic. Okay, so I want to say something that if you have any type of the question in this video, then you can ask me with the help of the description box. Okay, so in this video we have to the understand that what is the meaning of the programming language. Okay, so let's bye, meet you again in the next video with the next level of the coding language in the C, coding concept in the C. Okay, so let's bye, meet you again and again in the next video.